Here we come to the main elevators at First United Methodist Church in downtown Houston, Texas. And there goes a Metro Rail train horn I just heard. Down's locked. I think it's for that left elevator car that probably serves the ground floor, but it is unfortunately broken. But anyways, look at that original floor indicator. That elevator was definitely modernized. Oh, we gotta hear that motor. Someone's inside, so we're gonna wait for them. We're gonna wait till they exit. Oh, look at this ornate cab. This is beautiful. I can literally see the white glowing light through that vent right there. We're gonna have to look at that on the way up. Oh, this thing is beautiful. Aside from the slap-on mod, these are nice. This is definitely an Otis, according to somebody. All right, here goes the view. Here we go. Alright, now that I finally got an amazing view from in that vent into the elevator shaft, we will go for one more ride and we'll end the video back at 1. That's where your original floor indicator was. According to the security, this used to be a manual elevator of some sort until it got modernized, like some point in the 40s or 50s, and then in like the 90s or 2000s they got this EPCO slap-on mod. Anyways, see a view into downtown Houston. Look at, that's a nice view up here. Wow. That's the view into downtown Houston right there. It's a beautiful view. Anyways, we're gonna go back down and you're gonna get a much more better view in the lobby. EPCO Inchline call station. See, that left elevator car is unfortunately down. Oh, look at this. See down the shaft. Look at this. See the traveling cables? All right. Let's go back down to 1 now. This definitely used to be some sort of gated elevator, according to the staff I talked to. We're gonna look up the shaft. Oh, I forgot to show you this. Classic Otis leveling. Wow, look at this. You can see up the shaft right there. See, this is looking up in the elevator shaft. So this definitely used to be an old elevator before they replaced this one. Look at this lobby. This is a beautiful old lobby. Look at that. I love the stained glass walls on it. Wow, this is a nice lobby. You know what? I'll tell you what. I'm gonna send this elevator up to 6, and we'll watch that roto dial number. Oh, stopped at 5. But anyways, we'll get one last view of the lobby. Hey, look at this nice view. Wow, this is an old building. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and that'll be it.